Russian President Vladimir Putin recalls reservists to protect vital installations across the nation. Russian President Vladimir Putin has recalled reservists to protect vital installations across the nation. The move comes after a massive Ukraine drone attack on his Valdai residence on Sunday night. As per a decree signed by Putin in 2026, citizens of the Russian Federation serving in the mobilization reserve of the Russian armed forces will be sent to special training camps to ensure the protection of critical facilities and other vital infrastructure. In the decree, which came into effect immediately, the Russian government has been instructed to determine a list of critical facilities and other vital infrastructure to be protected. The Defense Ministry will determine the list of military units responsible for conducting special training exercises. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.